Today's story about sun. Today I made friend with sun. It taught me sun gives light for everyone. The sun is shining in morning. Sunrise early morning. The sun teaches us to get up early morning and to change the people together and to give happiness to others.
Today I made friend with rain. It talked to me to help others.
Today I make the star. Today made the star. Star is my best friend. He coming on a night. He looking very nice and moon is looking very nice. I am a star. You are? How are you? What is your name? My name is Star. I am your friend and no, I am also your friend. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Today I made the friends with the tree. I give the shelter. I give me shelter and fruits.
Trees looks like a family. The first stem is looks like a father. First branch is looks like a mother. All trees have their enemies. The enemy's name is cutting down the trees. But my family do not have any enemies. Just we want only friendship. No enemies. We have live like a tree because the tree is a good family. In the life we do not live our family because our family looks like a good tree.
I made friends with fruits. It taught me all colors and shapes are sweet.
Today I meet a flower. He taught me spread the happiness for everyone. Everyone happiness and peaceful. You also happiness and peaceful.
Flower is look like a family. First part of the family, particular plants on the look like a children. Second part of the flower is leaves look like mother. Third part of the flower is stem. Stem is look like a father. Anyone he said them, we will bring the flower, take the her. Then she was very happy. That way flower spread the happiness.
Today I made friends with the butterfly. It taught me I can change.
Butterfly is colorful and beautiful. It eats flower juice. It takes color from flower. When we look butterfly, we feel happy. Butterfly fly in the sky. It sits on flower. When butterfly sits, we cannot touch it.
Today I made friend with the river. It gave me food.
Today I made friends with the flag. It taught me love my India.
National flag, it has three colors. They are orange, white and green. In the middle there was one wheel. It called as Ashoka Chakra. In that wheel there was 24 lines. Its color is blue, orange color called as Hindus, white color called as Christians and green color called as Muslims. In that way all peoples are equal. Thank you.